Hey, what's up guys? I'm the Davidic one. Nope, this isn't it. Hey, how's it going everyone? I'm the Davidic one and welcome back to another video. Today's a extra special video because I am going to be designing my YouTube icon. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoy. It's 17 minutes in, and I have the rough sketch of what it's gonna look like. So. Noise. Are you guys ready to see the final result? Well, here it is. Thank you all so much for watching this special video. Hope you enjoyed it. Click over here to subscribe to my channel. Click over here to see my latest video. And click here to see this other video. You know, it's pretty good. Until next time, I'm the Davidic one.